All right. And it lives. Hopefully the oil will live for the amount of time that I'm driving for too. Other than that, it's good. All right, let's take her to Barrie, ON, Ontario Place. Everyone loves Marineland. It's been a while. It's been a long while. Especially having money and being able to do the things we want to do now. Except for this one, because he just finished school and he is, how would you put it? Broke.
Yeah, not broke. Broke.
Well, broken spirit and broken in cash. But
Yes.
we, or myself actually, he just tagged along with it. I bought the cheapest Rx8 probably ever, because if you look at this is my Rx8, and the car itself cost me a measly $1,300. Adding in parts as well, we're looking at about, I would say $1,800. And it's fixed, it's on the road, it runs,
And it's legal.
and it's, yeah, and it's legal too, look at that. That's quite amazing. So there it is there. And we have been invited to a car meet. Not in Wasaga Beach, because no one else really likes this type of car in Wasaga Beach unless it's my little brother Spencer, who drives a classical blaring music Miata. We are going to Niagara Falls because there is a meet, the Niagara Car Meets. So we're going to meet up with a couple people there, one of my friends, childhood friends, and we'll see what it's all about. Actual spot where everybody meets at. So we got to figure that out. That's what we got to figure out right now. And a lot of cars, a lot of cool different stuff. So we're gonna take a look at it closer. We got the RX8 did make it. Didn't blow up. Apex seal survived. Oil.
See you guys
didn't. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the room and get ready. That sounded so weird. But yeah, we're gonna get ready for the meets and get a room. So you'll see her at the meet. Actually get a good shot of it. That was a Mercedes AMG. Let's go find it, folks. So,
and then there's metal. It's like
well, everybody made it, I think. I don't know who everybody is. There's Cooper. Sup, Cooper?
What up?
All right.
I got bachelor. It's fine.
Made it? You survived?
My dad's documentary.
If anybody's the dad, you'd be the dad, man.
It's called Cooper Vlogs.
Oh, God.
So like,
Okay, yeah, no, you know, subscribe for subscribe, right?
Subscribe.
Yeah, exactly. There's a big congregation over there.
Aftermarket bachelor for freaking cars.
He's like, bro, want to work?
Thanks to Bella for letting us know about the Niagara Meets.
Want a shirt?
Yeah.
Jordan, you already got a vest, so I think you could spare the vest, man, honestly.
Should I like go over there and start talking to him? The dad vest?
Excuse me. No, what you do is you walk up, excuse me, I'm a graduate from Queens. And then they'll be like, oh, everything's okay.
Is Noah leaving? I think so. Bye, Noah!
Peace out. Yeah, the Mercedes squad is heading out. That's pretty cool.
I like that bro.
Yeah. See, that's the AMG.
Really? Like, that's pretty fun to figure it out. There you go.
All right, that kind of caught my attention. No, that's sick, dude. It's dual overhead E-Tech. Now, the question is, so SI or four-wheel steering? Oh, Type SH.
No, those are so rare to find.
My dad had the four-wheel steering, eh?
How much did you get for it?
Ah, God, that was in the 90s, man.
Oh,
Back in the day.
Like, I think it was I don't know if it was an 89 or like a 90s.
We made us something really old there. Back in the 90s. Yeah, we were.
No, seriously,
well,
dude.
this is a 98.
98? Nice, man.
She's young.
No, that's awesome, dude.
There was one wheel steering. It had like 43 kilometers on it. 43,000, sorry.
Yeah,
It's like 43.
Yeah, it sold for like 25 grand like last month or something.
really.
Still get up there.
No, they hold their value, man. Honestly, they're hard to find.
No, his Mazda has like 142,000.
All right, Jordan, you got your coffee? You feeling good? What's the matter with you?
I don't sleep, that's the problem.
Freaking insomnia, man. You should, I don't know, talk to a doctor maybe?
Do you think I'm just like special? How do you think I figured out I have insomnia? I didn't just go, oh, yeah, I think I have insomnia.
I thought you were a surgeon. The heck is that? I got that on video.
Pest control. That's what that is.
Wow. That is quite the
Some
marketing.
rodents running around.
Is that Mickey Mouse?
There's a gas.
Mickey? It says all grades of gas might have ethanol in it. Premium is a scam. Here. What?
How did that make you feel, Nick?
Broken, actually.
How much was that? For how many liters?
I used the clean. Oh, it's almost full. I used the clean, so like the mid-grade, so like the 89 octane.
Closest Nick's ever been.
Never been to full in this, and it was 45 bucks. I got 31 liters, so it's feel a little better about myself, and my dignity's been restored. It has to do something with the canyon.
Oh, I thought we were on Lundy's Lane.
Oh yeah, that.
In Niagara Falls.
So that must mean we're close to where all the casinos are.
For those of you who don't know, Lundy's Lane is in Niagara Falls.
I thought you said for the folks that don't know, there is a sketch out here.
For those of you who don't know, 99 Cent Depot is open.
Yep.
Jaywalkers.
Jaywalkers. There's a Skylon Tower. Looks like a CN Tower, but it isn't the CN Tower, and it's smaller.
It's a phony.
Alright guys, so we made it back here to Wasaga Beach, our hometown. He made it too.
Yep, I made it.
He made it. We want to thank Niagara Car Meets for having us there. The invite from Isabella and her boyfriend Dylan, who is actually, I found out, is one of the, actually not one of the founders, the founder of the Niagara Car Meets, and he's having a huge opener. I believe it's either June 2nd or 3rd. It's going to be a huge opener. He said around like 1,800 people, so good for him. That's awesome. And talking to him, he actually inspired us to be able to do our own thing. And what do you think that thing is, Jordan?
Car meet in Wasaga Beach.
Car meet. That's what I'm thinking. I think we're gonna have a car meet here. Normally there's classic cars here, so we're actually thinking more kind of like the Rx8. JDM, imports, older German cars, or anything. We invite anybody to come to these meets. So we're gonna call this the next stop beach meet. So we're gonna start this, I'm hoping, in the next month, maybe less than a month. We just gotta figure this all out because we're really not too good at organizing and anything really. So wish us luck. This kid, he's probably gonna be making some banners and putting them up on some posts somewhere around, like you know, like on the milk cartons too. So don't worry if you see our faces on milk cartons, that means that we're not missing.
All right.
So we'll be back. We'll let you know when we're doing this car meet.
Yeah.